Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick video, we are solving a classic probability puzzle using Python, and we are doing it the right way with exact fractions, not decimals, no float mess here. So on your left hand side, you can see the objective as well as the task, the output format and everything. So let us go ahead and check the problem statement. So yeah, here's the question. We have three urns, X, Y and Z. So each urn has red and black balls. We draw one ball from each urn. So what would be the probability that we draw exactly two red balls and one black ball? Okay, so just keep this in mind clearly. It's two red balls and one black ball. So this is what we have to check today. Okay. Let's model each urn using a Python dictionary. So like this, check over here in this code. Okay, so next is we use fraction from Python's fraction module. So I have imported it over here. So why did I just import these fraction from the Python module? Okay, because this gives us clean simplified answers like 17 by 42 instead of messy decimals. Okay, so we're not going to use decimals, the float value. So we are going to use the fraction because that's what they have given. Check out on the left hand side on the output format, they have given this. Okay, so next we calculate total balls in each urn and convert everything to fractions. Okay, so each urn's total fraction is over here in the code. So yes, now just check this part. So this is the major one over here. Okay, so what we have did is there are three ways this can happen. Red from X, red from Y, black from Z. Okay, so this is the first one. So the reason we just gave this is because the condition over here, if you check out here, so there are three drawn balls. Okay, so there are three drawn balls consist of two red balls and one black ball. So this is the condition. So that is what we have applied for each case. So there are three urns. So we have just did all over here. So same for here. Red from X, black from Y, red from Z. Okay, so that is this one. So again, take the drawn Z. Black from X, red from Y, red from Z. Okay, so over here. So we compute each of these lines like this. So this is the major thing on today's problem statement. And yes, another important thing over here is we are using fraction in each and every one. So notice that I use fraction carefully in every multiplication, no floats leaking in. Okay, so this adding this fraction is very important. So yes, then we add them all up and print the result as an irreducible fraction. Okay, so this is the result, everything we just summed up, and as they want the output over here like this as a fraction, so we have just given the print statement over here. Okay, so let us just run this and check whether it works and what we get. Okay, so let's go ahead and check with custom input. Okay, so I'm just going to give the same thing 4 3 5 4 and 4 4 because that is what given on the question over here. So I just gave the same test input. So let's run. Okay, so I got 17 by 42, which is a fraction. So that means, so this one works. Let us just submit the code and check whether, okay, yeah, the test case passed. Okay, so that means our code is working. All right. Okay, hope that helped. Now you know how to tackle probability problems accurately using Python. Hit like if this helped and subscribe if you want more of these smart Python mini tutorials. Thank you. See you in my next video.